He's going to throw a keep. He's got a man knee. Touchdown, McAllister!
Left side flips the flare out to Stebbins. Stebbins got some blocks ahead of him. And a big block by number 11, Strybek.
He hits Johnny for a 30-yard touchdown.
Holy.
It's a 14-13 game. How about that?
I don't know.
Whoa. 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 Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business. Whoa. About to make a movie independent. Whoa. Need new trucks independent. Whoa. I need you to listen to the vision. Whoa. All your verses sound like dirty dishes. I'm about to clean them in the kitchen. And we making money by the minute. I'm about to do it way different. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living. Icon living. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon. I am not a Mayan, I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am here and I still flex. I am just an icon living. Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa, I'm high snob, cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are so hot in the business. Last verse was before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the Porso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Damn. Last girl signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focusing, we about to all blow up. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. What? Look, we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No eyes, Misfits, no typos. Look, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse was before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the Porso.
Beatty goes up. Big time catch. Alec Beatty.
So what? Young Jaden dying on the floor. So what? She broke my heart to the core. So what? I guess we all gotta grow up.
You stripped your love down to the wire. Fire shining cold alone outside. You stripped it right down to the wire. But I see you behind those tired eyes. Now as you wade through the shadows that live in your heart, you'll find the light that leads home. Cause I see you for you and your beautiful scars. Take my hand, don't let go. Cause it's not too late, it's not too late. I see the hope in your heart. And sometimes you lose and sometimes you're shooting broken arrows in the dark. But I see the hope in your heart. I've seen the darkness in the light.
Oh, he gets north-south.
To the 40, 45, 50,
Okay.
55, 40, 35, 30. He is going to go all the way to the end zone. Number 40, Christian Rapport.
You have to tear down the walls that live in your heart to find someone you call home. Now you see me for me and my beautiful scars. Take my hand, don't let go. Cause it's not too late, it's not too late. I see the hope in your heart. And sometimes you lose and sometimes you're shooting broken arrows in the dark. But I see the hope in your heart.
Yes. McAllister.
Give me a snow angel, Johnny Nee. That was beautiful.
It's not too
walking down that road. Where did all the flowers go? They say we're supposed to grow, learning from the highs and lows. All eyes lying on me.
Plenty of leg there. Plenty of leg for Jose on that kick. If I could have taken it back another 7-8 yards.
They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right. When the sky is filled with smoke and fire, I'm gonna get it right. All I want is something better in the purple light. They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right. Hurry up, you're out of time. I say I will rise and shine.
Over to Beatty.
Behind the defense.
To the 40, 45, 50. It's a foot race to the 40, 35, 30. Beatty's going to go all the way. Touchdown, McAllister.
Oh, my goodness.
The senior playmaker, Alec Beatty, out of Kansas. The senior takes it all the way. A great throw from Grady Monroe. Hits him in stride, and Alec Beatty does the rest.
Try to hold me down, but